Do you love junk food but hate the guilt that comes with it? Well, I have some good news for you. Today we're diving into the world of healthier alternatives to our favorite junk foods. Our mission: to transform those guilty pleasures into nutritious delights without sacrificing on taste. So let's get started. First on our list is the classic snack, potato chips. But what if I told you there's a healthier way to satisfy that crunchy, salty craving? Enter baked kale chips. They're crispy, they're tasty, and they're super easy to make. Here's how. Start by removing the kale leaves from their stems. Then give them a good toss in olive oil. Sprinkle with salt and your favorite seasonings and pop them in the oven. Bake until they're as crispy as you like. Just like that, you can replace your greasy potato chips with crispy and nutritious kale chips. Now, isn't that a delight to munch on? Moving on to our sweet tooth friends, we have a delightful alternative for you. Instead of succumbing to that high-calorie ice cream, let's embrace the magic of frozen bananas. Yes, you heard that right. Banana ice cream is a creamy, guilt-free treat that is super easy to make. All you need to do is freeze some ripe bananas, then blend them until smooth. Want to mix things up? Feel free to throw in a bit of cocoa powder or your favorite fruits for an extra flavor kick. From sweet to savory, we now turn our attention to those irresistible French fries. But we've got a much healthier swap for you: oven-baked sweet potato fries. Simply slice your sweet potatoes into thin strips, drizzle them with a touch of olive oil, sprinkle with paprika, salt, and pepper, then bake until crispy. So say goodbye to high-calorie ice cream and greasy fries, and say hello to these tasty and healthier alternatives. Next up, we have something for our burger and soda lovers. Who says you can't enjoy a juicy burger without the guilt? Swap that calorie-laden beef patty for a mouth-watering portobello mushroom. Just grill or saute the mushroom cap, brush lightly with olive oil, and pile on your favorite toppings. You'll be amazed at how satisfying this low-calorie alternative can be. And let's not forget those sugar-filled sodas. Instead of reaching for that can, why not try infused water? It's a flavorful and hydrating drink that's incredibly easy to prepare. Simply fill a pitcher with water, add fresh fruits like berries, citrus, or cucumber, and let it steep. The result: a refreshing drink brimming with natural sweetness without the added sugars. With these alternatives, you can satisfy your cravings for a burger and soda without the guilt. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to make healthier choices without sacrificing taste. As we wrap up, let's quickly summarize our healthier alternatives. Firstly, we've discovered that crispy baked kale chips can be a fantastic substitute for traditional potato chips. Instead of high-calorie ice cream, we've seen how creamy and refreshing banana ice cream can be, with endless possibilities for flavor additions. We've also explored the world of oven-baked sweet potato fries, a delicious and nutrient-rich alternative to the usual greasy French fries. Burger lovers, remember how we swapped out the beef patty for a juicy, low-calorie portobello mushroom? Lastly, we've learned to quench our thirst with infused water, a hydrating drink that can be as flavorful as any sugary soda without the added sugars. The beauty of these alternatives is not just their health benefits, but also the fact that they are equally, if not more, delicious. Remember, making healthier choices doesn't mean sacrificing taste. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes and tips.